Refrigerator, fridge facts. Refrigerators, often called fridges, are essential appliances designed to keep food and beverages cold, preventing spoilage by slowing bacterial growth. They work by removing heat from the interior, using a refrigeration cycle that typically involves a compressor, condenser, and evaporator. Modern refrigerators often have separate compartments for freezing and refrigeration, allowing for versatile food storage. The first commercially available refrigerator was introduced by General Electric in 1911. Today's fridges come with advanced features like smart connectivity, energy efficiency, and customizable storage options. They have become ubiquitous in homes worldwide, contributing significantly to food safety and convenience. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning coils and checking seals, ensures optimal performance and energy savings.